Hi, my name is Maria. I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to give you a tutorial on percentages. So a percent is a number that's out of 100. So if I say to you x percent, I'm talking about x over 100. I want to compare it to 100. So if we talk about a number like 25%, we're talking about 25 over 100. That would be the way to write the percent as a ratio. Now, if I want to solve a percent problem, like let's say I want to know what is 20% of 80. We're going to take this percent sentence and we're going to translate it into an equation that we can solve. So in math, whenever you see what, that means that you don't know what this specific thing is. So we're going to call it a variable and say that that is x. And the word is always going to stand for an equal sign. Now 20%, whenever you have a percent and you're trying to put it into an equation, you have to make it a decimal first. So 20% is going to become 0.20. And then the word of translates to multiplication, and the number 80 is a number, so it's just going to stay as 80. And now I'm going to go ahead and do 0.20 times 80, so you can do it in your calculator or we can work it out. And if you have trouble doing multiplication, I'm going to show you right now that 0 comes down, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 8 is 16. And now when you multiply with decimals, all you have to do is count the total number of decimals in your two factors and move back that many decimal spaces. So in 80, I didn't have any decimals, and in 0.20, I have 1, 2 spaces. So for my final answer, I'm going to go 1, 2 back, and that means that my answer is 16. My name is Maria, and I just gave you a tutorial on percentages.